Hello, everyone, and welcome to another One Love Jamaica episode where we traveled to Robins Bay in the beautiful parish of St. Mary. Stay tuned. St. Mary is a parish located in the northeast section of Jamaica, well known for being one of the first sections of the island to be occupied by the Spaniards. Also known as the Banana Parish, it has a good variety of agricultural resources, which includes sugarcane, pimento, cocoa, coconuts, and coffee. So we traveled through Junction, which is the main road that connects Kingston with the northeastern side of the island and offers a very scenic view. A quick drive through Broadgate, we entered into Vale and Bay, where we met this couple, Tyson and Angela, self-proclaimed king and queen, who sells coconut jelly water with claims that his coconut jelly makes you age in reverse.
Nice vitalized jelly, make your age back way, you know? Right at King Barber Salon, you know? Jelly, papa, anything you want, dry coconut, you see me?
Finally, we arrived at our destination, Robins Bay. 20 acres of land spread over a 15-mile coastline and is one of the last pieces of undeveloped coastline in all of Jamaica. A small fishing village, Robins Bay is one of the most beautiful little-known coastline in the island. It is a great hiking destination, and while much of it is still undiscovered, it features acres of unspoiled natural terrain everyone can truly appreciate. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this little piece of paradise, please share, like, and subscribe. Also leave a comment below and tell us where next we should visit. Thanks for watching and see you soon.